The international community, I would like to draw your attention to a grave act happening in Cambodia today. This morning, December 24th, 2025, Thai military forces carried out armed aggression deep inside Cambodian sovereign territory in the 5th Military Region, Banan District, Battambang Province. At 10 a.m., the Thai military deployed T-50 fighter jets and dropped 4 bombs into a civilian residential area, where civilians, including children, were residing. At 2 p.m., a T-50 fighter jet dropped another bomb into the same district. Thailand's attacks on Cambodian civilians are acts of aggression, war crimes, crimes against humanity, and serious human rights violations. These are indiscriminate attacks, a serious violation of international law and humanitarian principles. Thai leadership claims this is about self-defense. But self-defense does not mean bombing deep inside another country. These bombs are targeting civilians. This is not protection. This is not defense. This is invasion. This is about humanity. Innocent lives are being lost. Children, families, and communities are at risk. We must stop this cruel act. The Thai military must stop the killing of innocent people. The world needs to know Cambodia's sovereignty matters. Civilians' lives matter. Stop the invasion. Stop the killing. Humanity matters. Thank you.